Indulge in cafe-like coffees at home or your cozy workplace with the Cafeto coffee maker from Murphy Richards. A truly distinctive coffee maker that brews espressos, cappuccinos and lattes at the touch of a button. Built with food-grade accessories, it's a barista you can bank on for safe and superior tasting coffees. It also makes brewing your favorite cup incredibly simple. Welcome to the demo of Murphy Richards Cafeto Coffee Maker. Cafeto Coffee Maker comes along with various in-box accessories and multiple coffee filters. For a steaming cup of cappuccino, let's start by detaching the milk reservoir from the Cafeto Coffee Maker. Pour the desired amount of milk in the reservoir. Ensure the milk is at room temperature. Put the lid back on and place the reservoir back on the coffee maker. Next, take out the removable water tank and withdraw the rubber cap from beneath the tank. Use water at room temperature to fill the tank. Cover the tank using the lid and slide it down to ensure it fits tightly. Turn the coffee maker on, and as soon as the lights stop blinking, the coffee maker is ready to use. Meanwhile, let's choose an appropriate coffee filter. Select the double shot filter for a large cup. Place the double shot coffee filter over the portafilter and turn it to ensure it's locked. Spoon in roasted ground coffee and with the help of a tamper scoop, clean excess coffee from the rim. Place the portafilter beneath the brew head and turn it towards the right to align it with the lock symbol. Adjust the frothing tube and the froth control knob to make a frothy cup of cappuccino. Now let's make cappuccino with the press of a button. Press the cappuccino button once for a small cup and twice to brew a large cup of cappuccino. To add more foam, press and hold the cappuccino button for 3 seconds. Delicious cup of cappuccino is ready. Have the joy of making espresso and latte in a matter of minutes. Murphy Richards Cafeto enhances coffee brewing and makes it simple. Cafeto Coffee Maker also offers effortless cleaning. Just remove the drip tray, detach the portafilter and rinse it with water. Turn your home into your favorite coffee place with Murphy Richards Cafeto Coffee Maker. It's simple.